What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something really exciting to talk about, an all-in-one platform that will help you build credit and revolutionize the way you shop. It's called Perpay, and it's here to make your dreams of affordable purchases a reality. So grab a seat and let's dive right in. Let's start with a quick overview. Perpay is an innovative platform that allows you to buy products, the ones you love, right? The ones you know and love, without the need of credit. It's like having your own personal layaway plan, but without the wait. So let's take a closer look at what makes Perpay so special. First off, let's talk about the flexible payment options. Perpay allows you to spread out your payments over time, making it easy on your budget. You see, payments come directly from your paycheck, so you'll only pay as frequently as your payment cycle. Hence the name Perpay. The payments are easy to set up and make it nearly impossible to miss a payment, which is super important because I can't tell you how many of my credit repair clients sign up for credit builder loans like Self only to end up missing a payment down the line, severely damaging their score further. But wait, it gets even better. Perpay doesn't charge any interest or fees for the items that you purchase in their marketplace. That's right, you heard it correctly. No interest and no additional fees. You only pay for the product you want at the price you see, divided into manageable installment payments. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Now let's talk about the vast range of products available on Perpay. Whether you're in need of a new smartphone, the latest fashion trends, home appliances, or even furniture. Yes, furniture. Perpay has you covered. They have an extensive category of products, if you can't tell, from popular brands, so you can shop the things you love hassle-free. The best part about Perpay is you can build your credit score while shopping their marketplace. Simply opt into Perpay Plus and payments will be reported to all three of the credit bureaus once you establish positive repayment history. For just $3 per month, you can start building credit for every single purchase. Now you might be wondering about the customer experience. Well, fear not. Perpay has an excellent track record when it comes to customer satisfaction. But don't just take my word for it. Check out these glowing reviews and testimonials from happy customers who have already experienced the benefits of Perpay. So how does it work? Step 1 is simply sign up and complete your profile to access the personalized spending limit that they give you. Then Perpay uses your income information to provide what they call spending power. Then you have access to your entire marketplace to purchase things without any credit check. Second, you'll use that spending limit to again shop the variety of things that they have online on their marketplace. Now your spending limit can be used to shop over 1,000 top brands across all different categories, again within that Perpay platform. You can shop top brands like Apple, Nike, Sony, Gucci, and more. Yes, Gucci. Enjoy the items that you purchase and pay over time with a small amount from each of your paychecks. Because remember, your payments are automatically drafted from your paychecks, which means you don't have to worry about missing a payment and tanking your scores. Over time, you can access higher spending limits and lower payment amounts on your orders. Activate credit building with Credit Plus, right? Which will allow you to report all those payments. Now, remember, you get to automatically build positive payment history, which is how your Perpay payments will help you build credit. And we've seen an average of credit scores being increased by 39 points, but it could be more or less based on, of course, your specific situation and circumstances in relation to what's on your credit report. So to sum it all up, with Perpay, you get flexible payments, no interest or fees, a vast range of products, and the ability to build your credit, all backed by satisfied customers. It's a win-win situation. Now, of course, if you're interested in signing up for Perpay, go ahead and click the link down in the description below. And as always, guys, if any of you need help with your credit, if you have bad credit, or you've been struggling to effectively dispute these negative or derogatory items on your credit report, listen, don't waste any more time. You can holler at the pros, right? I'm the owner of GreenScale Credit. We love to help people. What we do essentially is make credit simple. If you want somebody who's going to be able to walk you through the whole process and educate you along the way, getting rid of any of these pesky and annoying derogatory items, whether it be late payments, charge-offs, medical bills, collection accounts, bankruptcies, repossessions, you name it, right? We have the skills that pay the bills, even if you haven't been paying your bills. Well, we're going to help you get a fresh start. At GreenScale Credit, we're all about getting you into the green, right? You want to have green, healthy credit so that you can access the best interest rates, be able to finally become a homeowner or purchase the car or whatever it is that you're looking to do. Even if you're a business owner and you're looking to leverage your credit to maximize your funding potential. I want you to head on over to our website at GreenScale Credit. If you want to schedule a free consultation, again, look down in the description below and you'll see a link where you can do just that. I want you guys to enjoy the rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening, whatever time of the day it is. Catch y'all in the next one.
Meet Daniel. He owns a beautiful home, has a stable, high-paying job, and recently purchased his dream car. Life is great. Until one day, he, along with hundreds of his coworkers, are laid off. Now, Daniel is unable to pay bills for several long months. Now his home is under foreclosure and his car was repossessed. Daniel was able to find a new job, but unfortunately, the damage has already been done. His credit was ruined. It seemed like there was nothing he could do until a friend told him about our company GreenScale Credit. At GreenScale, we help improve your credit wellness, allowing you to be approved for the best credit cards, access the lowest rates on auto loans, home loans, and more, but most importantly, giving you a fresh start. Our team of friendly experts will walk you through the entire process while educating you along the way. With our help, Daniel was able to remove collection accounts, late payments, and repossessions from his credit report, resulting in significant increases in his credit score. Thanks to GreenScale Credit, he was able to save his home and purchase a new car with a lower interest rate. Life is finally getting better for him. Bad things happen to good people. The good news is bad credit is temporary. Take the first step on the road to recovery and go to www.greenscalecredit.com to sign up for your free credit consultation today.